Hello guys, this is ICT Dinesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in last week, I took nearly two entries. One is break even, other one is stop loss. Thursday, I got a break even, and the Friday, I got stop loss. So let's get into the chart and see the last week price action. Before entering to the chart, I want to share one thing. That is, I was affiliated with Bright Funder. So if you guys want to trade forex, futures, or crypto, you can buy account from Bright Funder. They running 20% off. The code is SEP20, and also they have the excellent ratings from Trustpilot, which is 4.6, and 4.5 rating in a Profit Match. So and also you'll get 50% share from the challenge phases. So now let's see the trade breakdowns. So if you see the last week price action is a clean expansion candle. So here you can see that the Wednesday is at the low. So this was the Monday price action. In Monday, there is no entry because there's no clean draw. The price took these highs before the 9:30. So there's no entry in Monday. And if you study Monday price action, the low is set in 4-hour FPG. So then it's on some manipulation candle, right? So the next 4-hour will be a distribution. So that only the price distributed after the opening itself. And there is no retracement, but I expected some retracement. Like if price to traded into this FPG means he can target these highs. So that's the plan for 9:30 and 10 a.m. But price doesn't give any entry for the day. See, the 9 expanded and 10 also expansion. So this is how the Monday ends. So let's see the Tuesday price action. On Tuesday, I made mistake in bias. If you look the daily candle, the day low is not at set, right? You see here. Because the day highs and lows will be set inside a PDA or after any liquidity sweep only. So that PDA will be in a 4-hour to 4-hour PDRS. So if you look here, the lows is not at set, but I waited for the long setup in here from this FVG. So that was the mistake on that day. And also if you put premium discount for this expansion means, so here we have the discounted FVG. So that will be a draw for the day, but I made mistake that. So I didn't took entry in Tuesday. If you look for sell means here have the clear view, like this will be your dual and your key level will be this. And you have to wait for that 9 a.m. to trade into that key level, then wait for the confirmation and you can target this dual. And if you go in 5 minutes, the market give clean confirmation here, but I didn't took this here. 9:25 gave the confirmation, which means the CAST, and also it created SMT with the ES. The price took that 8 a.m. high in NQ, but ES doesn't took that 8 a.m. high. So that will be your SMT. Then you can directly enter in this CAST and put your stop loss here. And you can easily target this low, current day low. So nice, right? So this was a nice entry if your bias is in sell side means. So this how the Tuesday ends. I didn't took any entry. So let's see the Wednesday price action. So this was the Wednesday price action. In Wednesday we have FOMC. So I didn't trade it that day. So if you look here, the price took trade into this discounted FPG. But there is no order flow shift in 1 hour. Still the price in sell side, right? Because it created order block. And we have the draw is Monday low. Why? Because it's the FOMC day, right? Mostly the FOMC will set the low of the week. That's what happened here. And we have the 1 hour OB and also the liquidity is this high. Why means if you go to in 50 minutes, we have the key level FEG, payments FEG, and most of them enter short position here in 9:30. See, and so it gave a nice 2 hour. I think gave 3 hour. I think here. So that was 9 a.m. PO3. So a good entry, but I took that. And if you waited for FOMC release means this one 10 a.m., 11, 14 we have the FOMC, 13. Now we have the key level, which one is such one FPG. Because the low is not at took right, so you can easily look entry in this FVG and target this low. So that's what happened here also. See, the price traded into that FVG and took this low. After taking this low, the price went up because that was the low, right? So this how the Wednesday ends. So let's see the Thursday price action. This was a Thursday price action, and also you have to see one thing here. Whenever the daily candle is a rejection candle means the next day candle will be a distribution. You know, right? The three candle pattern. Like on that day, the wick will be more smaller and the body will be bigger. Okay, then see the daily candle. The wick is small, the body is big, right? So from the opening itself, the price will distribute. So that's what happened there. And what I planned for this day is here the price is in premium, right? If you see the daily candle from the opening itself, the price is at premium. So I targeted this low, which was the 4 hour low, and also a 2 a.m. low and a London low. After taking this low, the price will continue. So that's also the plan. So I look for the sell entry here, which I took this as a PDA. That's shown auto block and my dual is this low. I entered in 5 minutes. Now I think here we get confirmation. Here I entered and put my stop loss here and I targeted this low. So here we're getting 2 hour, right? But I get break even on this trade. After dropping, I move the break even. The price doesn't took that low, right? But if you see in years, it took that low and it created a something. So only I move the break even also. Then I got break even. That's it. Here, if you see in 1 hour, price gets support from this order block and it's expanded. Here also the price form three candle pattern and 10 a.m. from opening itself is distributed. So these patterns will repeat more on 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. So let's see the Friday price action. If you look Friday price action, this was the daily candle. The Thursday is an expansion candle. So Friday will also be a expansion candle so that you can easily target this Thursday high as a dual. So that's also my dual for that session. And if you look here, the price set the low at 3 a.m. the daily candle, and here the order flow is also shifted in 1 hour. So what I plan here is the 9 a.m. will get support from this order block. Then you look for buy setup. That's was the plan. But here I entered in ES, not in NQ. So only I got a stop loss. I'll show it. Okay. If you look years, here we have one key level, just the H1 FPG, and I took entry in 1 minute. So the 9:30 open. Okay. Here the price created SMP with this low, which on the 8 a.m. low. So what I plan here is so we'll take entry in gears because we have key level everything. And also we have draw. So if I took entry in NQ means that day I close that day will be in profit. But unfortunately, I took entry in ES. So here I entered in ES and set my stop loss in this low. I targeted 2 hour. That's it. But if I took entry here means NQ gave easy 2 hour, I think, from this low. Compare this, but I took this. See, it gave easy 2 hour. Also 3 hour, I think. But I didn't took in ES and NQ took that high, then it created a SMP. After that, but my in ES it doesn't took my TP. Uh, from this point, the price reversed, but I didn't move break even here because I trusted this low as a protector low. It created a SMT with NQ, so I trusted that. So I didn't move the break even. Then I got the stop loss. I took my stop loss. So that's it, guys. This how my week ends. From next week onwards, I won't show the my PNL. Why? Because I plan to give some massive comeback because in past 2 months I trading this account, but it's in break even only. So I plan to make changes in the risk management. So once I get the results and also the payouts, I will explain that how I took that. So from next week onwards, I will review the weekly price action and also the trade breakdowns. So, and most of the guys don't know that I having a separate public Discord for us. This was the Candle Crew. You can join here, and also Tamil Discord. And weekly we conduct meetings, so you can join there and ask your doubts. So I will clear the doubts on that meeting. So if you're planning to buy any accounts, use my affiliate links. This one's 5 years, and this for Blue Money Futures. So this is how I get support from you guys. So that's it, guys. We'll see you next week. Take care. Bye bye.